How to access and use Google Analytics. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access and use Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a powerful tool which helps you determine the flow of traffic or the people that have visited your website or web page. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome or any other web browser. Now, since currently I'm in Google Chrome, so what I'm gonna do is simply click onto this Google Apps button over the top right corner of the screen, and then I can simply scroll down and I will find the Google Analytics. So click onto this Google Analytics button and it will lead you directly to the Google Analytics. Now, apart from that, if you are on any other web browser apart from Google Chrome, then you can simply go to the search bar and type in Google Analytics and then hit the enter button. Now, and from here you will see analytics tools by marketingplatform.google.com. Click onto this, and from here you can simply click on sign into analytics in order to sign in and go to the same page as before. Now from here, as you can see, I have already linked in with my website, so it is showing me the current active users and all of the event counts as well. I can also see the different types of geo regions on from where the audience comes from, and also there are a lot of different things to do within the same. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.